energy in the circuit. Energy in the circuit bayinikeza isymbol ka W, which bayibiza bathi it's work done. Energy in the circuit bayibiza bathi work done. Now, ngale nkathi ngi-introduce i-circuit ekuqaleni, ngithe we have cells. Ama-cells ahambisa i-charge. Le charge lena esetshenziswa ama-resistor. Kusho ukuthi i-charge ithatha i-energy from the cell ihambe isetshenziswe la. Now, uma isebenza la ukuze idlule kwi-resistor, work must be done. They need, there's a need of energy to move a charge through a resistor. Then the energy is needed. Ngoba i-resistor, as it tries to resist the flow of charge, the charge ngoba in a energy iyadlula la. Obviously uma iphuma seyisuka la iyowela ngale i-charge. Mase isuka la iyowela ngale sithi yini thina lana na iqale ine-energy ethize. Ake ngithi ngabomu ngiyeze example. Ake ngithi ngabomu ifike ine-energy of 12 joules. 12 joules of energy. Ngokuwela kwayo yalahlekelwa u2 joules. Seyigcina manje la seyidlula la sene energy of 10 joules. Ilahlekelwe u2 joules kwi resistor, which means i-energy isetshenziswa kuma resistor ukuze i-charge idlule. Uma ifika u12 iphuma seku10. Iyephi leya 2 joules? Bakwethu kune principle ye energy kwi-science ithi you cannot create the energy, neither can you destroy the energy. Ngeke uzakhele energy uyiqale nje energy from nowhere, or uthi ngiyayiqeda energy uyi-destroy. You cannot do that. Ongakwenza, you can only change it from one form to another. Ake ngithi i-resistor yakho la, any electrical appliance, ake sithi i-iron leyo yoku-ayina phela. Ngoba umuntu ubiza i-iron uthi ayina. Leyo yi-verb bawethu. Ntathi ngizoboleka i-ayina. How bawethu? I-iron. Ake sithi i-iron ke. So ke obviously yini into esidingayo kwi-iron? I-heat, ukushisa. So ngamanye amazwi leya 2 joules has been converted to heat. Kade kuyi-energy enawo ama-charge anawo ifika la ina 12. Mayiwela ngalena iluza 2 joules. Those 2 joules will be changed to heat. So this is the amount of energy that is released kwi-iron. Right. Now lana seku create ini now the difference in energy. So the difference in energy, the difference is 2, which means from 12, it was 12, now it's 10. So we call it the potential difference, the difference in potential energy. So you do work, when a charge moves across the resistor, then you are creating a potential difference. So now, which means, what is potential difference? It's work, the work that you do in moving a charge. When you move a charge across the resistor, then you are doing work. In so doing, you are creating the potential difference. V wethu bawethu siubiza sithi yini? It's potential difference. What is potential difference? It's work you do in moving a charge. So ngamanye amazwi njengoba sithi potential difference uV konje i-work done ithini nama-units akhona na? Work done, it's joules. I-charge yini na? It's coulombs. So we have potential difference in what? In joules per coulomb. Now njengoba i-potential difference ikalwa in joules per coulomb, asisathi joules per coulomb, sesithi siyonga la, asisathi joules per coulomb, sesithini na? Sithi volts. Okay, okungitshela ukuthi uma kuthiwa the potential difference across this, uma uxhuma i-voltmeter esinikeza i-potential difference, i-voltmeter uma i-reader 13 volts, nginikeza example bakwethu, akungathi wonke ama-voltmeter azorida 13 volts. Hawu, bazowahlupheka umfo wamaseko. Potential difference across this, let's say it's 13 volts. Yini 13 volts now? It's 13 joules per coulomb. How can you define that? This is the amount of energy that is used. Kusetshenziswa u-13 volt, u-13 joules. The amount of energy is 13 joules. That is lost. That is, we can say it's lost lah. You cannot destroy it. Or that is changed, yeah. It's changed. 13 joules for every coulomb of charge that passes here. Ile unaleyo charge edlula la, kwenzekani la, ireleasa 13 joules of energy. So we have that. So njengoba urida ukuthi 13 volts, which means for every coulomb of charge, for 1 coulomb of charge, then we have the energy that is released as 13 joules. That is for every coulomb of charge. All right, siyadlula la. Sesibuyela ke manje kwi-energy in the circuit. Sithe i-potential difference yini is the work done in moving a charge. What is work done? Asenze work done, subject of the formula. Work done is equals to V times Q. Work done is V times Q. Kodwa niyakhumbula sikhuluma ukuthi asikhulumi kakhulukazi nge-charge lana ngoba sisebenzisa i-ammeter esitshela the rate at which the charge flows. I-ammeter isitshela indlela izinga i-charge edlula ngalo. So we have to express i-charge in terms of current and time. Siyazi ukuthi but Q is equals to I times delta T. Sisusela pina ngiyenzela ukuthi mokwenzekile ukuthi sowukhohliwe ngiqala le section ungazo rewind hayi ngisakhona naphambili ungifuna ngasemva ngikhona nangaphambili ngikhona. Sisusela pina ngathi yini current na? The rate at which the charge flows. Izinga i-ammeter lana isinikezana na the rate at which the charge flows. Mesithi rate senze njani? Sisebenzisa sidivide ngesikhathi. So i-current yethu it's in amps. So we have Q times seconds. So which is coulombs, it's coulombs per second, which is what? Amps. bese ngike ngayichaza ngaphambelini. Sesiyabuya ke la, but siyazi ukuthi mesenza uq subject of the formula, we will have q is equals to I delta t. Ngoba kwi-circuit we are dealing the potential difference, we are dealing the current, we are dealing the resistance. Izinto esikwazi ukuyikala la, then sesingathi na work done v yini q na I delta t. So uma unikeza i-energy, uma unganikezwa i-energy, it can be in a form of heat or whatever. Uma i-energy in the circuit siphawula siyishaya ngale ndlela lena. W is V I delta T. Kuyenzeka bakwethu lena sokuyile nto yethu yila sisuka khona. La sisuka khona sisuka phi na? Work done, it's VI delta T. Nakya umsusa wale ndaba. Work done is VI delta T. Kungenzeka lana senze u-V subject of the formula. V yini na? It's I times R. But V is equals to I times R. Now, which means uma u-V I times R gizothini na? Work done yini endaweni ka V, it's I times R times what? Times I times delta T. Lana gi-expressa u-V in terms of I and R. Endaweni ka V ngifaka nina u-I nani na no-R. I times R. So work done will be what? I squared R delta T. So singayithola nangale ndlela lena. Kuyenzeka ngesinye isikhathi unganikezwa i-potential difference, unikezwe i-current, unikezwe ne-resistance, nansi equation ozoyisebenzisa. Kanti nangapha singayikhipha nangapha futhi sithi hayi asi-expresse u-I, lana besi-expressa u-V, endaweni ka-V sithafaka u-I no-R. Manje lana akisi-expresse u-I sisebenzise u-V no-R. But I is equals to what? V over R. But I is equals to V over R. Therefore, angufake nalapha u-therefore bawethu na ubone ukuthi hey ziyaduma iscience le. Iscience esa maths. Therefore, basho njalo abelungu bathi we therefore lies. Angazi singisi leso na. Therefore. Okusho ukuthi work done yini na? Siyawufaka loya V endaweni ka I sifaka V over R times delta T. Sesithini na? Sithi work done yini? V times V squared over R times delta T. So we have something of this nature. Now ama equations akhuluma nge-heat or nge-energy in the circuit. I-equation ye-energy in the circuit kumele ube nani na? Sesiwaderivile, sesiyadlula lapho, sesimele sibe nani na? We know that energy sinani? Work done yini? VI delta T. Energy work done yini na? I squared R times delta T. Ukhona sikhona isikhathi siyafakwa nesikhathi iwe delta T. Work done yini na? V squared over R times delta T. So we have ama equations ani na? Energy bakwethu uma sidila ne-energy ne-power asishiyi ngaphandle. Abantu uma bekhuluma ngepower bayitshela ukuthi basuke bekhuluma nge-energy, kanti enye inhlobo lena isikhuluma ngayo la. Yebo, ipower ihambisana inobudlelwane no-energy. Ipower inobudlelwane no-energy. Ngiyacabanga umuntu le eLimpopo mayuza ubudlelwane ngicela kuyibeka ngesingisi. There is a relationship between power and energy. There is a relationship. Ubudlelwano lo. Yabona lana kithina siyakufundisa iscience, sokufundisa imaths, sokufundisa nelanguage. Yo. Ngingayibeka nangesuthu la. Go na le go tsamaisana mahareng ha energy le power. Go a tsamaisana. Power as energy, energy has a power. Mara go na le mo go tsamaisana go tsamaisana ke ntho e lengwe. How do we do that? Right. Now, power, sibona kanjani to une power? Ama definitions ye power. Power ithini na? Power ithi. Power is the rate. Rate liyabuya lelo gama. The rate at which work is done. The rate at which work is done. That is power. Now, how do we write this? Ngokwe equation. Power, the rate at which work is done. Izinga leli energy isetshenziswa ngayo. That is power. The rate at which work is done. Ithini unit ye work now is joules. Isikhathi yini na? Second, which is what? Joules per second. Now, as isebenzise joules per second sithini na? Watts. The SI unit of power is watts. This is what it means. Power ikalwa in watts. Angisho intsumpa, abantu bacabanga intsumpa. Asifundeni isingisi manje. Watts le intsumpa le. Unintsumpa. Sithi noma watts. Asisho lokho. Sisho yini na? What? So it's measured in watts. Uya kwi-globe ngaphandle or ekhaya uyayibona ibhalweni na power yini 100 watts. Power is 100 watts. Yini lo 100 watts? Aslehle siyeli. Power is 100 joules per second. This is the amount of energy, 100 joules of energy. Mawubona iglobe yakho ibhalwe 100 watts. Yazi ukuthi it's 100 joules of energy that is converted to heat to light. This is the amount of energy that is released by light every second. Get second and Lord, 100 joules of energy is being converted to light. Jobi kanyanje. Energy jobi kanyanje. You release 100 joules of energy every second. So that is power. Now, having said this, let's come back to this one. Sesikwenzile lokho. Asibuyele la. Now, kulama equations singay relate lokho ngepower kanjani. Ake ngikhombise imagic. Lana ngizo derive ama equations ngisebenzisa iduster. Ngiderive ama equation yepower ngisula okuthize. Buka wena. Work done, it's VI delta T. Work done is I squared R times delta T. Work done is V squared over R times delta T. Unikezela ama equations. Buka i-chalk ngiyibeka phansi. Angiyisebenzisi. Ngiderive i-equation ye-dust. Ngiyasola. Awu bakwethu. If work done is VI delta T, what is power? I-power ngisusa lutha isikhathi. That is power. Power is VI. Ngisazokukhombisa ukuthi kanjani. If work done is I squared R times delta T, what is power? Suliani Tainiani. Suliani Tainiani. Angisho i-time abantu baba uta i-time ngisho isikhathi mina. Ngapha work done is V squared over R times delta T. I-power yakhona. Derive equation ye-power. Hayi manje uyasidida manje uyabona ke manje khuluma enye into esingakaze sithina siyibone. Asiyenzeke ukuze siyibone. Angibabuyiseleke o delta T labo ekade sikhuluma ngabo ukuze phela kube into right. Right. Ayifundisa ukususula kanjani u delta T. Power is the rate at which work is done. The rate at which work is done. That's it. Kodwa ithini work done yethu na? Work done VI delta T. Divide by what? Delta T. Delta T Suliani delta T. Then power yini na? VI. Ha! Habe. I say sevenza la kuphela. Asibone ngale. No problem. Power. The rate at which work is done. What is work done? I squared R times delta T over delta T. Hey buga wena, Suliani delta T. Power, so kuyini na? I squared R. Hey, bakwethu. Kaze kamnandi namhlanje. Kaze kamnandi. Yezwa bathi kwaze kamnandi. Angazi kuyini lento kade imnandi beqala. Power, yini na? Work done over T. Yini work done na? V squared over R times delta T. Over what? Delta T. Suliani delta T yani, then power yini na? V squared over R. Buka sengiderive ama equations awu 6. Hayi ne EMF engiderive habe ungajatshulisa ukubona lapha nemuva ku-equation bakunikeze nje ama-equation ungazi nanokuthi asukaphi. Uyabhala nje kusukaphi? Hayi impela kunjalo nje. Hayi bo usazoya le kampethu yajika ngokuqeda umatric bakucela ukuthi sicela uzosifundisela ingane zethu science. So your phone uthi hayi manje ngicela ukubuza laphana ka master class konje khona uthisha sicela ama numbers akhe. Cha wena nje uzotape laphana ungibuka uyishaye uyibuke bese uhambe nawe uyokwenza lokho engikwenzile. Awu bakwethu yamnandi lento. Now we have these equations. Right. Ake manje ngichaze a certain concept ekufanele ukuthi ngichaze before senza ama calculations. A certain concept that I need to explain. Very, very important.